Hello and welcome back to Aliena's Kitchen, Garden Edition, where today we're going to be making an all from scratch rum punch. This rum punch is using 3 different rums, so expect it to be quite boozy, but also delicious. So let's get started. Okay, so to start with, what I have here is my pitcher, and I filled it up quite a bit with ice, probably about a cup or 2, and then I'm gonna add in some sliced up lime. I have quite a bit with me today, so I'm going to probably start out with just using half of it, as well as some orange and a handful of cherries, some sliced lemon, as well as some sliced pineapple. Okay, into this I'm going to start adding in my booze. So I have 1 cup of white rum. Today I'm just using Bacardi. Oh my gosh, I spilled. So it's a little bit less than 1 cup because I just spilled quite a bit, but it got mostly in the lime juice, so it's okay. And then I have half a cup of dark rum. Today I'm just using Myers. And then I also have a 1/4 cup of Malibu rum, or you can use any flavored rum that you'd like, preferably a coconut or something sweet. To this you can either add grenadine, or today I'm just using freshly pressed cherry juice, and this is 3 tablespoons. And then I also have a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then we can add in our big juices. Today I have 3 cups of fresh pineapple juice. Also, if you guys don't want to use freshly squeezed, you can just buy your favorite brand at the store of these juices. I have to be very careful about adding this in. All right, here we go. Woo. I'm gonna save a little bit on the side. I don't know if I have a big enough pitcher. And then I also have 3 cups of freshly squeezed orange juice. I realized when making this, my pitcher is not big enough. I hope that you guys don't run into the same problem. So today what I'm just gonna do is split my mixture in between 2 pitchers. Make sure though that you give this a good stir first, and make sure you're using half because this has all the alcohol in it and you don't want to lose that. Or if you're not drinking alcohol, then it does not matter. So now I'm just going to start adding my remaining fruit to my punches. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add in some ice to make sure that my rum punch is nice and cold. Okay, and so the last thing I'm going to do is just make sure they're both stirred up. And then what I also have is fresh mint that I picked from my garden, and I'm just gonna add some of this in. This is optional, so if you don't like mint, feel free to not add it. I think I'm gonna get some mint. And then I'm gonna garnish my cup with a fresh cherry, which I just put a toothpick through. And then I also have some pineapple. I'm gonna try to stick this through. Ooh. And then I also have some fresh lime. And there we go, and a straw. Give it a little stir. And voila, here we have our finished rum punch. That's so good. The fresh juice adds that extra kick. The rum also adds that too. I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I do. And please don't forget, if you like my videos, to share them with a friend. If you guys are looking for the full recipe, it will be listed down below in the description or on my website. Thanks for watching.